Welcome! Today we are going to learn about the difference between a single AZ instance, multi-AZ instance, and multi-AZ DB cluster. I will also explain how to use Pulumi to create a multi-AZ DB instance, and in a future video I will explain multi-AZ DB cluster. First, we have to know about the three types. The first one, a single AZ instance, is a basic setup where a single Amazon RDS instance is used, backed by Amazon EBS volumes. All read and write requests are routed to these instances. However, a single AZ is not ideal for production systems. That needs a high ability, and it has a higher RTO, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective, meaning it's more prone to downtime in a case of failure. Next, multi-AZ instance. A multi-AZ instance uses two Amazon RDS instances in a different ability zones. One is the primary instance, which handles both read and write traffic, while the standby instance only replicates data from the primary instance but doesn't handle any traffic. In case of failure, automate failover switches the standby instance to primary without needing manually intervention. And talking about the backups and snapshots are taken from the standby instance. A multi-AZ instance is best for high availability, lower RTO, and RPO, and resilience. And the last one, multi-AZ DB cluster. This one has one primary instance that handles read and write traffic and two standby instances that handle only read traffic. This setup provides both high availability and scalability for read requests. Now, let's talk about the code. I use Pulumi to create a multi-AZ DB instance. Now we are going to see the code for a multi-AZ DB instance. First of all, I set up a VPS with a zero block, and I create two subnets. Both are in a different ability zones, US East 1A and US East 1B. Then I create a security group for the RDS database and the inbound traffic on the MySQL and the outbound traffic. Then I create a subnet group using the two previously created subnets. This allows the database to distribute across multiple ability zones. Now, the multi-AZ RD instance. I deployed a MySQL 8 version. Also, I use a DB, this instance type, and I allocate 20 gigabytes of storage. I enable multi-ability zones, and I enable storage encryption here. And then I set up basic credentials here. Now I have to deploy my infrastructure using Pulumi. I execute only Pulumi app for deploy this infrastructure, and then, as you can see, it's successfully created. Okay, the primary goal of this code is to create a high available multi-AZ DB instance, and using AWS and Pulumi I hope you like this video and see you in another